Good morning and welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Jan.
And today we have a very special video for you. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.
Oh, look at her go! Hit the button.
Anyway, today we're going to do Chopped Seniors with Man Talks.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Chopped, not actually chopped seniors.
We're not going to chop seniors.
Chopped, like the show on TV where they get mystery ingredients and then you're supposed to cook
Do
something.
you remember what chopped used to mean when we
No.
were in school?
No.
Oh, like a put down.
Yeah, put down.
They chopped you.
Yeah.
They chopped you.
It's
Whatever.
not that
Out
either.
of my league.
Well, we don't know what's in these bags.
Yes, because
our judge,
that would be me.
Judge Jan.
Just Jan put them together
Yes, there are ingredients. The
So-
same ingredients
in both bags.
in both bags.
We're going to have
Man puffs.
5 minutes or 10 minutes.
I think,
How about 7 minutes?
yeah, well, how about 8 minutes?
Okay, and we'll put it on the
8 minutes.
timer.
Okay.
Or you can just go. You have to leave the room. You don't get
Yes.
to watch it.
Because
Yes.
we don't want her to know which result belongs to
Because
which.
then-
Yeah, and you
But
can't
being-
copy each other.
Being an HSP, I would probably think if she picked Anna that she likes Anna better.
Yeah.
She does like Anna.
Well, we're
Not
not
really.
going to go there. But yes. So why don't you? I want to watch you take out your ingredients.
Okay,
Okay.
but that's with the start of it. So do you have something
Right.
to look at the time?
All right.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Okay.
I'm looking at
So
the time.
you have to say ready, set, go.
Okay. Ready?
Oh,
this is. I just got nervous. Ready,
morning.
set, go.
Okay. And we have
honey,
honey,
Uh-huh.
cinnamon,
Ritz crackers,
butter, sugar. Ooh, it sounds kind of good. Okay, Ritz crackers.
cinnamon,
So we're going. We're
Okay.
on.
Sugar.
Bye.
Okay.
See you.
Bye,
Bye.
guys. Now how am I going
Check
to watch
in.
the clock? Though? I'll have to pick a different
Well, just
clock.
look at pick a different clock. Okay.
We're supposed to
So,
do something.
yeah, just I can't help you, Anna. You got to figure this out on your own. Okay, I have an idea. I have a great idea here. Oh, and you don't like cinnamon.
I don't like cinnamon.
Our hands have been washed, just so you know. We don't want you to fret over that.
She had to say that. She was so concerned about whether people were going to know that
I
our
worry
hands
about my
were
friends
washed.
out there, and what if they're like, "Ooh, I didn't see them wash their hands." How would that look? Bad. Wait, hold on here. Oh, I just thought, there's so many choices. This is so fun. You can't be neat about this. You just kind of have to pour some stuff in. I don't know yet exactly what this is going to be.
So
I'm
I've
working
mixed
on it.
the powdered sugar with
Oh,
the
so
cinnamon.
professional. In that case, I have my crackers and butter and some cinnamon. That's going to be kind of the base here for what we don't know. I do know. It just came to me. I'm so excited.
I'm going to lay out my crackers.
Oh, jeez. Organized
I'm
over
plating.
here.
I'm plating already, like in the shop.
That's what they call it, plating.
Plating.
I have to watch the time. We'll be at 8 minutes. Yeah, I that show makes me hungry when I watch it. Look at your hands are so neat. Mine are just like, "Blah." Go for it. A little bit of honey to kind of
You know,
sweeten
Kathy?
it. Yes,
We used to make this snack for ourselves when we were very young in New York City
Yeah.
to watch TV. We used to
And
do
was it this?
exactly what I'm making.
Then you're kind of cheating because you already knew the recipe.
What? What?
So I've mixed everything together here except
She bakes all the time.
the powdered sugar, and I did put some cinnamon in here, so I'm kind of crunching things up a little more. And I might have to do a little bit more honey just to kind of let it kind of act as a glue. A glue for what, you ask? Not sure.
Here, I'm going to use yours.
Why?
Because mine has the lid on it.
Ah, okay. So I'm kind of doing this little, now I'm assuming, let's say you have had dinner and you're kind of full, but you're not full enough.
Just making a mess. Just making a mess.
It's okay. This isn't about neatness, because you know I'm all about neatness. Anyway, back to my story when I was so rudely interrupted. So you've had dinner, and this is me. I'll eat dinner and I'm pretty full.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Wait, it's been 5 minutes? Or it's been 3 minutes?
Yeah.
No, which one?
5 minutes.
5 minutes left?
You got your stuff on my spoon.
Oh, get another spoon. Okay, you're always complain. Okay, I'm trying, oh, I know what I need to do. Here, you guys. because I want this to stick together a little bit better. And so, I can't even,
Mine are so cute.
oh jeez. It's not about cute, Anna.
It is in
It's
my
about
world.
taste.
It's all about looking good.
Oh jeez, no, you gotta get in there and dig into all this stuff and scrape. I thought I was telling you a story. Oh, yes, I was.
She was telling us a story.
I was telling you something important. So, anyway, after dinner, you know you're kind of full, but don't you just
I'm
kind
done.
I'm not. So don't you want a sweet sometime, like just something a little bit?
Well, let me
So
clean up.
that's what these are going to be for. You have to give that a name, by the way. You have to name your
Oh.
dessert. What are you putting in my bowl?
The stuff that you're dropping out.
Well, maybe I don't want it in there. You're kind of assuming.
Oh, look at your hands.
And then I can lick the goodies.
Jan, I'm done.
I'm not, so don't come in. This isn't a race. This is about taste. We'll
Look
blind
how beautiful.
Oh, jeez, now I just got nervous. Okay.
Okay, what
And
am I
you can't say that because then that's going to influence the judge. You can't go
Beautiful.
influencing the
Beautiful.
judge. Mine's going to be pretty and tasty and just delightful.
Push the stuff away so that you can just see how beautiful my
Okay,
my
wait.
dish is.
Now I got to do this.
I got a
I'm
defective
just
cracker. It had a piece
digging
missing.
in a little bit here.
Goodness
There
gracious.
we go. Look at that, you guys. Look at that.
Look how pretty that looks.
And then we're going to do the side a little bit here.
Oh, what a show off. What a show off.
You gotta have
Look
to
at the mess you're making.
Okay, you cannot talk because our judge will hear
Look
you.
at this. Look at this.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
it won't. She's not going to hear you. Look at the mess. Look at the mess.
I so want to just like on your face.
friends.
Oh wait! Wait, don't come in yet. We gotta place them
You're
over
done.
there.
Okay.
And-
hold on.
We'll be right back. Oh. Okay, Jan, we're ready for you. Judge
Alrighty
Jan,
then.
come back in. Anna, come over here.
Uh-huh.
So Judge Jan can't, actually let's put these like this. So Jan, you come over here.
She has to rearrange everything
Well, no,
I do.
because we want to see her.
Okay, Jan.
Okay, Jan.
Mm.
Okay, you need to first say how beautiful.
They are.
That's not what I wanted to hear.
They are lovely.
Aren't they interesting?
They are, yes.
I see some creativity in some of these.
I do.
You have to try them.
Yeah, you have to
Oh, I know.
taste gotta be
I know. I was very careful about the ingredients. All right, I'm going to try this little interesting thing right here.
Oh, she's dabbing it in the powdered sugar.
I would
Yeah, I like-
too.
I like
Man,
that.
I'd dab away.
Oh, that's gonna be so sweet. What do you think?
Well, they're both gotta be sweet because that's got the butter and the sugar and the cinnamon and.
It's actually pretty good. I might eat the whole
Do you need to clean your palate afterwards?
Uh-huh.
You need a sherbet.
It's very sweet, but it's very good.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste like all? So let us know if the ingredients can be tasted in all of these.
Oh, yeah.
You taste them all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And she's. Oh, I thought she was gonna put the whole thing in her mouth.
Well, she's
Oh.
trying to just kind of taste.
What do you
and
think,
get little
Judge
bits
Jan?
Mm-hmm.
Say that 3 times fast. Just Jan.
Judge Jan.
That's good, too.
Ah,
She might call it Thai.
Well, I do love that, but it's a little sweet. So, and of course, neither one of them are what the recipe actually was.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I'm gonna pick this one.
Whatever.
Whatever.
But she still likes me better.
Oh yes, yes, HSP or whatever you are.
Okay, so now I'm gonna actually try.
Oh,
I'm gonna
yeah,
try
you
it
should.
because we haven't tried it.
No.
Has cinnamon though.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm very sweet.
Very sweet,
Mm-hmm.
but it's good, and I like
Very
the
good.
I
And what
like
was the
the
real recipe?
consistency of it.
Yeah, what was the real?
Powdered
I just
sugar.
inhaled.
The recipe was actually for honey butter,
Really?
honey butter.
Crackers?
And then I threw the crackers in just to confuse you. And also, I figured, well, you could spread your honey butter on the cracker too.
But powdered sugar?
Yep.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, this was fun. This was quite a challenge.
Yep.
Yes, it was because I won.
Oh, you're going to hear this all day.
Sorry, Kat.
Okay. I'm a better baker than
Thank
her
you
anyway.
for joining us to this incredible competition where I won.
Where she
Don't
won.
forget to click those share and like buttons and also comment on how wonderful mine looked.
Oh,
OMG.
goodness.
Go ahead.
Be sure to subscribe to Man Talks because I know you're going to want to see more things like this.
Yes, this was fun.
So subscribe on YouTube.
And our website, www.mamtalks.com. And I'd be more than happy to share my amazing recipe with you. So just DM me, which she doesn't know what that means.
I'll put the real recipe on the website.
That's a good idea.
I know.
All right, thank you. And remember to embrace getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.